redesigned Pathfinder. It's a great upgrade over the prior generation version of the truck, and it is soldiered on mostly the same on through to the 2024 model year. On the rock trim. We'll get to that one in a moment, but first, let's talk power.
Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 Nissan Pathfinder, an adventure-ready SUV that's perfect for families who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. Exterior. The Pathfinder's exterior is inspired by the great outdoors, with the rugged design that features a bold grille, muscular lines, an available two-tone paint job. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go. And with its available 20-inch alloy wheels, the Pathfinder is not only stylish but also capable of tackling any terrain. Interior. The Pathfinder's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It's spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The available leather-appointed seats and heated steering wheel add a touch of luxury, while the available panoramic moonroof lets in plenty of natural light. The Pathfinder also comes with a variety of infotainment and connectivity features, including a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Performance. The Pathfinder is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 284 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. It's available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and it can tow up to 6,000 pounds. Safety. The Pathfinder comes standard with a variety of advanced driver assistance technologies, including lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It also has available features like adaptive cruise control and traffic jam assist. The 2024 Nissan Pathfinder is the perfect SUV for families who want to explore the world. With its bold design, powerful engine, spacious interior, and long list of features, the Pathfinder is ready to take you wherever you want to go. I hope you enjoyed this video about the 2024 Lamborghini Review Auto. Please let me know if you have any other questions.